Right, viewers, let's start with some breaking news that's coming in right now from Karnataka. Karsevak Srikanth Pujari has been granted bail. Karsevak Srikanth was arrested on January 1 and in fact he was arrested for rioting in Ram Janmabhoomi movement. Over 16 cases were registered against Pujari. This is now Karsevak who was arrested in fact on January 1 and has been granted bail. The visuals there on your screens of the ruckus in Hubballi. This was, of course, followed by the ruckus. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Neha to get us more information on this. Neha, Srikanth Pujari, he had been booked in under 16 cases and has now been granted bail. Give us more information on this.
Well, that's right, Ashish. It has been quite a long drawn, battle. Of course, over here we're seeing now that after the Karnataka, court there going on to finally grant Srikanth Pujari bail. Remember that, this has been a case that has in fact taken the entire political circles in the state by storm. We're seeing that the BJP and the Congress had in fact locked horns over this issue for the past couple of days, ever since he was arrested in Hubballi. And now we're seeing that, the court in fact has granted him bail. We've seen massive protests over here in the state by the BJP across the state demanding the release of Srikanth Pujari and also demanding the suspension of the police officers there who arrested him in the first place, blaming the Congress government for targeting Ram Bhakts and, Karsevaks. Meanwhile, the Congress government, of course, has stood its ground firm there and said that they're merely following the law of the land. And they've in fact further gone on to say that the BJP is unnecessarily politicizing this entire issue. Well, at the end of the day, now that, of course, he has been granted bail, Ashish, we'll really have to wait and see what turns this case further goes on to take.
Joining us on the broadcast there with all these details, and of course a lot of eyes there on this particular case. And Srikanth Pujari, the Karsevak who was booked in under 16 cases and was arrested on January 1, has now been granted bail. In fact, my colleague Imran did have a work with the lawyer. Let's listen in.
Sir, Mr. Anwekar, sir, what has the court said now? Can you give us a brief?
Court allowed our petition today, but till we not get any certified copy, condition imposed by court, we will get after one hour, please.
Yeah, but he's got bail, sir.
Yes, he's get bail. After getting a district court order, we will move on separate application before second additional CJ and third JMFC. We hope he will release today.
Okay. Sir, one of the contention was that the government saying that he is absconding, but you said that in many of the several cases he had gone, he was present at the police. Give us a throw.
All allegations made by state government are very false, bogus, is not tenable under law, because he is a permanent resident of Hubballi. He is having Aadhaar card. Every election he voted to election. So we bring all things to before the court. Hence the court is appreciated our argument and granted bail.
Moving on now to our other top focus in a video.